Hey everyone, in today's video I'd like to do a little review of Morningstar Farms Veggie Original Sausage Patties. I have other videos up from Morningstar Farms on their pizza bites and also on their buffalo chicken wings and their chicken bites, which are all veggie for veggie options on eating veggie foods and products. So right here, I'm trying out these sausage patties, and here they are. I don't have any eggs or anything. They suggest that you have them with eggs and stuff like that. I'm just having some fries. I've already tried these. They're pretty spicy. They taste pretty much like sausage. I mean, I would cut them up and put them in an omelet or something like that to spice it up a little. So there it is right there. If you want like a veggie option for eating, without eating any animal products or anything like that, this is your option right here. Now there's 81% less fat than regular sausage, 9 grams of protein, and 70 calories per serving. I have to say that, yeah, it is pretty spicy. It's like if you really like sausage, this is like a fantastic option for you right here. Now, would you be able to tell if it's real sausage or not? I'd say possibly, but not really. I mean, it really seems like the texture is very much like sausage. It's kind of interesting how they can do this. Yeah, really good. Yeah, it's quite spicy, actually. Here's the back. So you have some recipes right there. Veggie flatbread, anytime veggie flatbread, right on the back of the bag right here, which looks pretty good. This is from Kellogg's family of products right there. There's your nutrition options and all that stuff. Nutrition facts. "70 calories per serving." Yeah, there you go. There are many veggie options out there. I have to say the pizza bites are really good, and the buffalo chicken wings are pretty good too. I mean, they're actually really good. I mean, it's surprising how good they are. Even their veggie hot dogs are pretty good. You add some mustard if you like mustard on your hot dogs and stuff like that. Put it on a bun, and you're good to go. Maybe add some onions and stuff like that, mustard and onions. Have a hot dog on a bun with their veggie dog products and stuff like that. Morningstar Farms. It's really the way to go for veggie options. So, all right. Thanks for watching Geotech and More. This is one of my my food videos, trying out different products. Okay, take care, everyone.